How to fix Riot Client keeps opening. Riot Client keeps opening issue can be caused by various factors, such as virus or malware infection, compatibility settings, administrator mode, background processes, or software conflicts. Here are some possible solutions you can try. Scan your computer for viruses and malware. You can use a reliable antivirus or anti-malware program to scan your computer for any threats and remove them if found. This may help resolve any glitches or bugs that cause the Riot Client to keep opening. Change compatibility settings. Sometimes Riot Client may not launch properly with the current compatibility settings of Windows. You can try changing its compatibility settings by following these steps. Right-click the Riot Client icon and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select a different Windows version from the drop-down menu and click Apply and OK. Try launching the Riot Client again and see if it works. Prevent Riot Client from running as an administrator. Running programs as an administrator can sometimes cause issues with other programs or settings. You can try disabling the administrator mode for Riot Client by following these steps. Right-click the Riot Client icon and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and uncheck the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Try launching the Riot Client again and see if it works. Check your background processes. Sometimes Riot Client may not launch properly if there are other processes running in the background that interfere with it. You can try closing all the background processes related to Riot Client by following these steps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Find and right-click the Riot Client processes one by one and select End Task. Try launching the Riot Client again and see if it works. Check for software conflicts via Windows Clean Boot. Sometimes Riot Client may not launch properly if there are other software or programs that conflict with it, such as antivirus or firewall. You can try disabling or uninstalling any software or programs that may interfere with Riot Client and see if that helps.